Okay, guys, so today we are going to find out if we can summon Cillia the Rain Woman. Just gotta say her name 3 times once we get up the hill. I ain't no pot. I'm not gonna do anything, not gonna Photoshop this, okay? Because I don't even know how to Photoshop. I know how to edit, but I don't know how to Photoshop. I don't know how to put people in here. I don't even know how to make fake rain. Alright. So we're going up there because, we gotta be up there. Because there's practically, we gotta be by a forest for it to work. I'm kind of honest. Okay, so we gotta say her name 3 times. If she comes out, she comes out. If she doesn't, she doesn't. But I really hope this is true. I'm gonna summon someone today. If not, I'll just go home, draw a ritual circle, and summon the demon. Alright. Almost there. Okay. Gonna do this. There's a dog. Dog. Alright. So we're going near the forest, guys. I got scared. Is this going live? I don't know. But we are going to find out. I'm not sure why I'm so scared. I bet you're just fake. Just fake. I'm not scared. There's probably no Cillia the Rain Woman. Look, there's not even a cloud in sight. If it starts raining, I'm turning this off and running inside. No, my house is all the way down there. Okay. We're going to do this. What I'm gonna do is stand right here. Alright. Cillia the Rain Woman, Cillia the Rain Woman, Cillia the Rain Woman. I guess we actually have to be inside a forest. But we can't do that until after quarantine. One person has to go, so maybe me and Emily can walk up to school and who's Emily? Maybe me and Leon will walk up to the school and I'll see if it's true. But I won't show him on camera because he hates being on camera. Alright. I keep on mixing up my brother with my friend Emily. Sorry. Alright. Why is it getting darker? Okay. Maybe me and Emily. Who's Emily? Why do I keep on calling? They look similar, except one's a girl, one's a boy. Sorry. I'll go ask Leon to see if he knows what Cillia the Rain Woman is. Cause I gotta go in a woods. Okay. It's almost sunset, guys. And I still need to summon Cillia the Rain Woman. What's that? I hear rain. Oh well. No, seriously, guys, I hear rain. So, guys, I'm gonna keep you here because y'all are my company. I actually feel better. I don't feel scared anymore when I'm with y'all guys because y'all guys are my fam. Oh, dang it. You guys are my fam. We do this together. So I'm going to go ask Leon if we can go up to Stony Brook. And maybe I'll film there. Alright, guys. It's going to be a long walk back. Sorry. I'm so sorry. Look at me. I'm snazzy. Alright. But I don't really show my face anymore. Sorry, guys. It's because my brother told me not to, or else there's predators out there. Yeah. I'm sorry. Sorry. Did I make you fun of that? There's a squirrel. Where's that chipmunk? Ah, there was a chipmunk. Jesus. I feel someone patting my back. But I look behind me, no one's there. Alright. So whatever, I hear rain. I'm gonna ask Emily if we can go Stony Brook, and if not, we'll go to the, I don't know. Squirrel! No. Alright, dang it. Sorry guys, we couldn't summon Cillia the Rain Woman today. How about, I will not forget about this. When we are out of quarantine, I will summon her in Stony Brook. Bye guys!